Now my dear students, we will come to the main topic, which is electrolysis. As we have already discussed what is electrolysis, if I ask you, electrolysis is just a simple process, and what happens in this process, due to passage of electricity, due to passage of what? Electricity, right? The electrolyte, it dissociates, and a new compound or the new substance, better use the term substance, the new substance are formed at the electrodes. So this process is called as what? This process is called as electrolysis. This process is called as electrolysis. So as we are connecting this to the negative terminal, and this is connected to the positive terminal of what? Of a cell. Why a cell? Because we need a constant supply of current and a constant potential difference. Clear? All these are objective questions which comes, right? So be very, very careful when you are listening to it. Now this side is carrying the negative charge, so this will be called as what? A quick recap. No, I didn't hear. Yes, cathode. Now this side is carrying what? Positive. So this is called as what? Anode, right? Clear? Again जल्दी से बोलते हैं एक बार, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम पैसेज देते हैं किसका? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. ड्यू टू पैसेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट undergoes dissociation. Dissociation means it breaks down as a positive ion and a negative ion. So negative ions are called as what? Anions, and positive ions are called as what? Cations, right? So due to passage of electricity, electric current provide किया, ionic compound which are in a solution state, they undergo dissociation, and new compounds or new substances are formed at electrodes. If it is a solid, then it might deposit on the electrode. Which type of electrode? Now it is collecting on cathode, right? If it is a liquid, it can remain as a precipitate. If it is in a gaseous state, then it will escape the process, right? This is called as electrolysis. Now cations, they will move towards where? They will move towards cathode. Cations, they will move towards where? Cathode. And ions, they will move towards where? Anode, right? That is why their name is what? Cations, and its name is what? Cathode, because it is moving towards a negative electrode. So to avoid the confusion, its name has been given as what? Cathode, because they are called as what? Cations. They are called as anions, and as they move towards positive side, that is why it has been given the name anode. Am I clear? Again I will repeat. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process where due to passage of electric current, ionic compound dissociates and a new substance are formed at electrodes. This is called as electrolysis. Clear definition? Definition should be clear. If it is clear, then you can write it in your own words. You don't have to mug it up. So this is the beauty of what? Yes, our common tagline, physical science, right? So now we are going to start that what happens. अब हमने तो बोल दिया, क्या बोला हमने? कि हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिसोसिएट हो रहा है और इलेक्ट्रोड पे जाके एक नया सब्सटेंस बन रहा है. तो ये जो टोटल प्रोसेस है ना, टूटना, टूट के फिर नया सब्सटेंस बनना, राइट? इसी को हम लोग अभी इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस में स्टडी करेंगे। बहुत ध्यान से सुनोगे एंड प्लीज़ आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू टेक आउट योर बुक अगेन, पेज नंबर 111. Where from I'm starting? I'm starting the topic electrolysis. Clear? Every one of you. Now I'm going to read it out and I will request you, please underline. During passage of electricity through the solution of electrolyte, we have already discussed many a times that electrolyte को हमारे को क्या बनाना पड़ेगा, solution बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। अगर पानी मिलाया that time it is called as polar solvent and rest of the time it is called as what, aqueous solution. Clear? Positively charged cations, positively charged cations कहाँ जाएंगे? पॉजिटिव किसके पास जाता है? इट मूव्स टूवर्ड्स नेगेटिव, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज, ये कैटायन है तो उसका नाम क्या बोला हमने? कैथोड. सो कैटायंस मूव टूवर्ड्स कैथोड एंड नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयंस, नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयंस आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? एनायंस. अब नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव किसके पास जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. टू अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन, ये एनायंस है तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एनोड, राइट? ऑन रीचिंग कैथोड, cations. Now this I had already discussed, but again I will say, I just want you to underline this first. Cations accept electrons, cations accept electrons and are liberated at cathode. Please underline. On reaching cathode, on reaching cathode, इसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसने अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया था तो ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस ले लेता है, ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करता है? वापस ले लेता है, उसी को ही बोलते हैं द cation accepts electron and are liberated at cathode. यहाँ पे अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? एटम बन जाएगा और यहाँ पे there will be an accumulation of it, right? So I'll write down the step. First step, always this. What? Any electrolyte, when we pass electric current, dissociates as cation and anion. Now we are talking about what? Cations. Where the cations go? At cathode. तो कैथोड पे क्या होगा? कैटायन. कैटायन क्यों कैटायन है? क्योंकि कैटायन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इसका मतलब इट हैज़ गिवन द इलेक्ट्रॉन, नाउ इट इज टेकिंग बैक इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन. भाई छुट्टी हो गया, गिव मी माई पेन बैक. प्रशांत सुब्बा, गिव माई पेन बैक. अंकित इज गोइंग होम and if he goes home without the pen, mother will scold. So what he does? It takes back the electron and becomes neutral atom. If it is stable, fine, reaction finishes. But if it is not stable, like in case of hydrogen, which you had seen, right? The bubbles were coming out. So hydrogen cannot be stable in its single form. So it has to form a molecule, right? So it will combine with another hydrogen and it will form what? A2. Clear? So it is the statement that I ask you to underline, accepts its electron. This indicates what? Accepts its electron. Give me my electron back, right? Similarly, again underline before I proceed, very important. Anions are neutralized on reaching anodes by donating electrons and liberated as atoms or molecules. Please underline. Anions are neutralized on reaching anodes by donating electrons and are liberated as atoms or molecules. Done, everyone? Now I will show it again here. So we are talking about what? We are now talking about anions. We are talking about anions. What are anions? Negatively charged ions. Where will they go? नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव के पास ही जाएगा, राइट? नाउ एज इट इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव, सो द रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस वेयर? Very good. It will take place at anode. What did I said? And I ask you to underline. Donating the electron. Donating मतलब it is negative. ये क्यों negative है? क्यों negative है? क्योंकि इसने इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या किया है? लिया है. That is why it has a negative charge, and one negative charge indicates how many electrons B has taken? 1, right? And that time what did we said? Who has taken? This is Safar. Safar had taken the pen from whom? Jina. Now Chutti, Jina is going home. So what she will do? She will take back. Now Safar will do what? Donate, return back. Do you see this? It is taking. That is why it is plus. It is donating. It is returning back. That is why it is what? Negative. जो लिया था बाबा ले लो. And I will become what? Neutral. If Safar is stable enough, it will remain as an atom. But if it is not stable, then it will combine and form a molecule. So this is what is happening at cathode and at anode. Have you underlined? Right. And what we have to keep in mind, that we have to take a DC supply of current which provides a constant potential difference, which maintains a constant potential difference, right? Now underline please again, dear students. During electrolysis, electrical energy is used to derive chemical reaction. Please underline, and this is very important. Why it is important? Because usually the question comes, which type of energy change, takes place in electrolysis? तो इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस में क्या एनर्जी चेंज टेक प्लेस करता है? सो योर आंसर विल बी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी. ये है ना मेन तो ये था, राइट? प्रियांशु पंडित, हु इज प्रोवाइडिंग व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू हुम? अंकित एंड सफर. फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ दिया, फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ के ये इधर वो उधर, नया फ्रेंड. बस इतना ही कहानी है इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस, राइट? नाउ सो which type of energy change takes place? Electrical energy gets converted into chemical energy. Please underline, this is 1 mark question which is usually asked, right? Now जो electrolyte जो ये सब कुछ सहन करता है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट सहन करता है, वो क्या हो जाता है? डिसोशिएट हो जाता है, वो टूट जाता है, राइट? सो इन aqueous solution which reaction takes place? Electrolyte. What are electrolytes? Yes, the ionic और electrovalent, दोनों एक ही चीज़ है, नाम दो है. Ionic और electrovalent compounds which undergo dissociation. If it's a complete dissociation, strong electrolyte. If it's an incomplete dissociation, it is a weak electrolyte. And they form what? Cations, anions. फिर वो ऐसे नहीं रहते. Cations कहाँ चला जाएगा? Cathode. Anions कहाँ चला जाएगा? Anode. Right? Clear, my dear child? Right. Now, when electricity is passed through the electrolyte, in which condition? Molten. याद रखना, solid में नहीं, molten. हमने जो experiment किया, that also what I made an solution. Which type of solution? I added water, so it is called as what? Polar solvent. Right? Now, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Again, quickly, देखो बहुत, it's very very simple, not at all tough. I'll repeat again. Electrolyte, we pass the electric current, it undergoes dissociation and forms what? Cations, and it forms what? Anions. Cations are what? Positive. Anions are what? Negative. पॉजिटिव कहाँ जाएगा? नेगेटिव के पास जाएगा. नेगेटिव कहाँ जाएगा? पॉजिटिव के पास जाएगा, राइट? सो नाउ cations, so reaction will take place at what? Cathode. पॉजिटिव है. क्यों पॉजिटिव है? क्योंकि उसने एक, और साइन देखो क्या है, एक ही है, अगर 2 होता तो मतलब 2, 3 होता तो 3, राइट। क्यों पॉजिटिव है? बिकॉज इट हैज गिवन द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड अक्वायर्ड अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज। एंड व्हाई इट हैज अक्वायर्ड द पॉजिटिव चार्ज? बिकॉज प्रोटॉन नंबर इसके पास क्या है, ज़्यादा है, दैट इज वाई ये पॉजिटिव है। तो ये अब इसको यहाँ पे रिएक्शन हो रहा है, a reaction is taking place where? The reaction is taking place at the cathode। अब कैथोड पे क्या हो रहा है, नेगेटिव चार्ज है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है, किस चीज़ का, नेगेटिव का। तो ऑब्वियसली वो क्या करेगा, यहाँ से अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचने लगेगा, इट विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड व्हेन इट टेक्स बैक, अब दे हैव अ वेरी गुड नेचर, राइट, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट ह्यूमन बींग्स, जितना कैपेसिटी है उतना ही लेते हैं, ह्यूमन बींग्स की तरह नहीं, 2 का कैपेसिटी है, खा लिया 10 पूरी एंड देन फिर डाइजिंग लेता है, राइट, नॉट लाइक देम, दे आर वेरी हम्बल, वेरी जेन्युइन, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट ह्यूमन बींग्स। सो इट हैड गिवन हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 1, so it will take back how many electrons? Yes, 1 electron, and then it will become what? Neutral atom. If it is stable, it will remain like this. If it is not stable, then it will combine with another atom and it will form what? It will form a molecule. Very good. Now, किसका बारी आ गया? सफ़र का बारी आ गया. Get ready, सफ़र. सफ़र has what? Negative charge. What does this mean? That सफ़र has done what? Given or taken? Yes, सफ़र has taken 1 electron. तो उसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा हो गए, प्रोटॉन कम, इसीलिए इसके पास नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया। सफ़र ने किससे लिया था पेन? जीना से लिया था। नाउ यहाँ पे रिएक्शन हो रहा है, कहाँ पे रिएक्शन हो रहा है? एनोड पे रिएक्शन हो रहा है, क्योंकि सफ़र का चार्ज क्या है? नेगेटिव, एनायन है ना, तो वो कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? कैथोड की तरफ। कैथोड पे जाते व्हाट इट विल डू? डोनेट। लो बाबा जीना, योर पेन, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, नाउ छुट्टी, आई एम रिटर्निंग बैक योर इलेक्ट्रॉन। वेरी जेन्युइन पर्सन, राइट। एक पेन लिया, एक ही पेन दे रहा है, clear? And it becomes what? Neutral atom. The moment it becomes a neutral atom, if it is stable, it will like this. If not, then again it will combine and form what? A molecule. So, the reaction that is taking place at cathode, it is called as reduction. What it is called as? It is called as reduction. Reduction process. क्या नाम देते हैं हम लोग इसको? रिडक्शन। और इसको क्या नाम देते हैं हम लोग? ऑक्सीडेशन। जो रिएक्शन कैथोड पे होता है, याद रखो, the reaction that takes place at cathode is called as reduction. That is called as what? Reduction. And the reaction that takes place at anode, that is called as what? Oxidation. Oxidation, right? अब ये दोनोthe रिएक्शन एक साथ हो रहे है ना, एक साथ हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? कैथोड में क्या होता है? रिडक्शन। एनोड में क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडेशन। मतलब तुम्हारा दोस्ती टूटा, ठीक है, तुमने भी नया फ्रेंड बनाया, एट द मोमेंट, सेम मोमेंट मैंने भी दूसरा दोस्त बना लिया, वेरी गुड। सो एट द सेम टाइम दिस रिएक्शन विल ऑल्सो टेक प्लेस। What is this reaction? Reduction where? Cathode. And this reaction will take place at anode. That is why the reaction that takes place, or the dissociation of electrolyte that takes place in electrolysis, is called as which type of reaction? Redox reaction. Very important line, very important thing that you have to remember. Why? Because this is a very favorite question for your board exams. Why electrolysis is considered as a redox reaction? Why the reaction of electrolyte is called as redox reaction, right? If such, and this is usually 3 marks question, if it is 3 marks question, please understand, you have to describe the process, you have to write the steps separately, you have to show where it is reduction, where it is oxidation, and then only, and if possible, draw this picture briefly. And another one important tip I would like to share with you: whenever, wherever possible, for your physical science, for your life science, in your board exams. Quick, brief figure or a diagram, a rough diagram. Rough doesn't mean a dirty one, but yes, a brief sketch, a diagram. It will enhance your answer. So why do we call electrolysis a redox reaction? So if a question comes, why do we call it a redox reaction? Because reduction takes place at cathode and oxidation takes place at what? Anode. Simultaneously, एक साथ redox and oxidation. This reduction and oxidation is taking place. That is why this complete electrolysis process is called as what? Redox reaction. Now if it comes as 1 mark question, then what you will write? You will write as reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously in electrolysis. That is why it is called as what? Redox. Now if you see the word redox, it is made up of 2 words, RE, reduction, OX, oxidation, right? So this word redox is actually combination of 2 words. Which 2 words? Reduction and oxidation. Reduction and oxidation. So if it's a 1 mark question, so what you will write? As simultaneously reduction takes place at cathode and oxidation takes place at anode. That is why electrolysis is called as redox reaction. Now if suppose it is a 3 mark question, तो इतना लिखने से चलेगा? So you will not write this much. What you will do that time? You will draw a rough sketch, as I said, wherever, whenever possible. Draw the sketch, a diagram, a diagrammatic representation should be there in your answer. You will draw this. You will write the complete reactions. That is, first dissociation, then at cathode, what are these? What is this? This is cation. At anode, what is this? Anion, right? Where is it taking place? Anode. Where is it taking place? Cathode. Which reaction is taking place? Reduction. Which reaction is taking place? Oxidation. So you will explain this complete thing, then only you will get what? 3 marks, right? Now 1 mark, just 1 line. Simultaneously reduction takes place at cathode and oxidation takes place at anode. That is why it is called as what? Redox reaction. Clear? Redox, 2 words, reduction and oxidation. Now the question comes, 1 mark question again from here only, that why reaction at cathode is called as reduction reaction. Why the reaction taking place at cathode is called as reduction reaction. Understood? पंकज समझ में आया? बोल रही हूँ आपके लिए. रिडक्शन रिएक्शन जो कैथोड पे होता है उसको नाम रिडक्शन क्यों दिया गया है? तो उसको हम रिडक्शन इसीलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज ये क्या कर रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस ले रहा है ना. एज इट इज gain of electron, that is why it is called as reduction reaction. So if a question comes that why the reaction at cathode is called as reduction reaction, then your answer will be the reaction taking place at cathode is actually a gain of electron. That is why it is called as reduction reaction. If it is 1 mark, sufficient, right? No issues. If it is 2 marks, so you will have to write this equation and show it. So similarly, Pankaj, again, एनोड में जो रिएक्शन होता है उसको ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन क्यों कहा जाता है? यहीं पे देखो आंसर है. What is it? It's a loss of electron. So as there is loss of electron, it is a symbol I'm writing. You will not write the symbol. If it's an answer, then you will write electron. Clear? So as as there is a loss of electron taking place at anode, that is why it is called as oxidation reaction. But if you look very carefully, नाम क्या है? रिडक्शन, रिड्यूस, पर यहाँ पे तो गेन दिखा रहा है. क्यों बोलते हैं? Isn't it? Why is it opposite? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? लॉस, पर ये है तो ऑक्सीडेशन. क्यों उल्टा नाम क्यों रखा है? एक्चुअली द रीज़न इज like when the concept of reduction and oxidation came long back, right? That time किसको reduction बोलते थे? Removal of or loss of hydrogen. ठीक है? Initially when the term reduction was coined, that time it was called as लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. किसी भी रिएक्शन में जहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा था उसको नाम दिया गया था रिडक्शन. और जहाँ पे भी गेन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन था या रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन था, दैट वॉज टर्म्ड एज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडेशन नाम उधर से. ठीक है, ऑक्सीडेशन क्यों नाम दिया गया था? बिकॉज उधर से ऑक्सीजन का रिमूवल था, यहाँ पे लॉस ऑफ क्या था? हाइड्रोजन, और एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हियर, सो दैट वाज टर्म्ड एज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडेशन. बट लेटर ऑन व्हेन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स वर कंडक्टेड एंड मेनी मोर न्यू सब्सटेंस वर डिस्कवर्ड एंड दे वर स्टडीड, सो दैट टाइम इट वॉज फाउंड सब में तो अब हाइड्रोजन होता नहीं, सब में तो अब ऑक्सीजन होता नहीं, तो उसी कॉन्सेप्ट को साथ में रखते हुए रिडक्शन मतलब गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. वेरी सिंपल, यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. व्हाट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन? व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रिडक्शन. व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडेशन. यहाँ पे क्या हम देखते हैं? एक दे रहा है, एक ले रहा है. One side it is a gain, one side it is a loss. So that is why this complete reaction is called as what? Redox reaction. I hope it is clear. One more time, very quickly I'll recap. The reaction that takes place at cathode. कैथोड में क्या चार्ज है? कैथोड का क्या चार्ज है? नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव में पॉजिटिव आयन जाता है. पॉजिटिव क्यों है? बिकॉज उसने अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया है, अब वापस ले रहा है, राइट? वापस लिया तो गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रिडक्शन. एनोड, एनोड का चार्ज क्या है? पॉजिटिव. कौन जाएगा? नेगेटिव आयन जाएगा. नेगेटिव आयन क्यों बना है? क्योंकि उसने क्या किया था? इलेक्ट्रॉन लिया था. तो इलेक्ट्रोड पे व्हाट विल इट डू? इट विल रिटर्न बैक. रिटर्निंग है तो लॉस है ना, उसको दे दिया ना, लॉस. सो लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कंसिडर्ड एज और टर्म्ड एज व्हाट? पार्डन, इट इज टर्म्ड एज व्हाट? ऑक्सीडेशन. दोनों रिएक्शन एक साथ होते हैं, देना भी लेना भी. एक देता है, एक लेता है. देना लेना, राइट? तो देना लेना एक साथ हो रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. बिकॉज गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज टेकिंग प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली. दैट इज व्हाई इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस is considered as a or termed as, or we call it as a redox reaction taking place. Clear? Now what we discussed, electrolyte on passing electricity, it will break as cations, it will break as anions. Cations goes to cathode. At cathode it will take the electron and become neutral atom, and as it is taking back the electron, so it is undergoing what? Reduction. Lovely. Now at anode it is giving back the electron, loss is taking place, so that is why it is termed as what? Oxidation. क्योंकि ये दोनों एक साथ होते हैं इसीलिए इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Redox reaction. This is your complete electrolysis process. There is nothing in it, right? अगर electrolysis describe करने को आता है, first thing what you will do, write down the definition. You will draw this sketch, you will draw this diagram. Then whatever electrolyte we are taking, we will write that electrolyte. Then जो आयॉन्स बनेंगे वो आयॉन्स लिखे जाएंगे. Then we will write the reaction taking place at cathode, reaction taking place at anode, and one more quick trick I'll give you. Box it. Box कर दो कैथोड को, वहाँ पे एरो दिखा दो क्या, that reduction. Just write gain of electron, box it. Write down oxidation, loss of electron. Now the moment examiner just sees these two boxes because you have highlighted it, right? What he will understand? Oh, बच्चे को आता है, देखो रिडक्शन भी लिखा है एनोड पे ऑक्सीडेशन. दैट मीन्स द मोमेंट ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो थ्रू योर कंप्लीट लेंदी आंसर. हेयर ओनली यू विल गेट योर फुल मार्क्स. सो हाईलाइट ऑलवेज. वन इज रफ स्केच, सेकेंड थिंग हाईलाइट करो. तो हाईलाइट करो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को अपने आंसर्स में, राइट. दैट इज द वे टू स्नैच द मार्क्स. मजबूर कर दो एग्जामिनर्स को, गिव अस द मार्क्स, राइट. एंड वी विल, इट इज अ प्रॉमिस दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्कोर हाउ मच, 100, राइट, isn't it? Very good. So now cathode, reduction, anode, oxidation, finish. So our electrolysis process is over. This is called as what? I told you initially only, electrolytic cell, or it is also called as what? Voltameter. Now I will request you to change the page. Come over to page number 112. So what are we going to do now? Electrolysis समझ लिया कि electrolysis है क्या. अब आप लोग पूछ भी सकते हैं electrolysis where is it used, why we are studying so much. So electrolysis is mainly used for electro refining of metals. मेटल्स के एक्सट्रैक्शंस में प्योर मेटल्स जब हमें चाहिए होता है, दैट टाइम वी यूज़ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. अनदर यूज़ इज़ वेरी कॉमन, इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ना, artificial jewelry, gold plated, silver plated. That gold plating, silver plating is done through which process? Electrolysis. सुना है ना, right. So इसीलिए अभी हम लोग अभी एग्जाम्पल्स करेंगे. Electrolysis clear? Now just make this sketch quickly and then we will start with the examples of electrolysis. अब electrolysis में हम लोग different type, we can take different type of electrolytes. So in your book two examples are given. One is of acidified water and the second one is of copper. So we will today discuss this two examples which is given in your book, course book, under electrolysis. Quickly make a sketch of this because I want you to write your answer like this: reduction, oxidation, quick. And then I will start with the example that is given in your book on page number 112. So we are going to start with the first example which is given in your book for electrolysis, is electrolysis of acidified water, right? Simple English, electrolysis किसका हो रहा है? Water का. But water कैसा है? Acidified है. Why? Because water is not a good conductor of electricity, so we add little amount of acid to it. That is why. With platinum electrodes, right? Now with this much only, what do you understand? That there are two electrodes, there has to be, right? What are these electrodes made up of? These electrodes are of platinum electrodes. What we have taken? We have taken water. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. What we have taken? Water. But again we are making it what? Acidic. We are making it little acidic. So which acid we can take? We can take hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, any acid. So in your course book the acid that is taken is hydrochloric acid. Clear? So what do we have? We have water as electrolyte. Along with the water, what is added? Little amount of acid is added. Which acid is added? Hydrochloric acid is added. And what do we have? We have taken platinum as electrodes. So one end will be connected to what? Negative terminal. The one end which is connected to negative terminal will carry negative current, and it will be called as what anode? No, cathode. One end is connected to what? Positive terminal, that will carry what? Positive charge. If it has positive charge, then it will be called as what? Anode. It will be called as anode or cathode? Anode. Am I clear? Now, what will happen or what we will see here? Dissociation of water, dissociation of HCl, right? When this dissociation will take place? When we will pass the electric current, right? When we are going to pass the electric current pass करते ही water टूट जाएगा, अंकित और सफर टूट जाएगा, शबाना एंड जीना टूट जाएंगे. यहाँ पे 2 है. क्यों 2 है? क्योंकि water electric current pass नहीं कर सकता in pure state, right? So that is why we are adding acid to it. So अंकित और सफ़र टूटेंगे एंड जीना एंड शबाना का फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ेंगे आज. और कौन तोड़ेगा फ्रेंडशिप? इलेक्ट्रिक. कैसा सप्लाई? व्हाट शुड बी द सप्लाई? विच टाइप ऑफ सप्लाई इट शुड बी? From a cell. Which type of a cell? Which will provide DC current and it will maintain what? A constant potential difference, right? Negative charge और यहाँ से positive charge flow. Now when the friendship will break, when this electrolyte will break, a dissociation will go on, then what will happen? What we have discussed? Ions, anion and cation. Anion, cation. They will go towards anode and cathode respectively, and then they will undergo one more chemical change and a new substance will form. So ये पूरा process क्या बन जाएगा फिर? Electrolysis, right? Very good. So what will happen now? As we are taking what? Water we have taken and we have taken hydrochloric acid. The moment we connect the constant supply, the passage of electricity starts. This will dissociate. This will dissociate as what? Hydrogen plus oxygen, O2 minus H plus. Balance karo. Okay, I will not do it. I'll rub it. First I will explain you. Hydrogen, positive, right? Oxygen carries a negative charge. Now if you see, if you balance it, what is the valency of oxygen? 2. That means it needs, what it does, it 2 minus, it takes 2 electrons. So 2 minus. How many hydrogen atoms have provided? 2, because कितने atoms हैं? 2 atoms. मतलब हाइड्रोजन के एक एटम ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया. Why? If I ask you the question, who can say? Quick. Yes, correct. Hydrogen valency is what? 1. It can give away how many electrons? 1, right? So, but how many atoms are there? 2. So we will write 2H plus and O1. Clear? Similarly, now for hydrochloric acid. यहाँ पे देखो atomicity कुछ है? Nothing is there in the atomicity. That means atoms. How many atoms are taking part in this formation of compound is 1. Hydrogen 1, chlorine 1. Chlorine is a non-metal, so it always acquire a negative charge, and hydrogen has a positive charge. Hydrogen usually, again, if you remember in chapter number 8, when we were talking about periodic table, that time we had seen hydrogen is a peculiar element, very naughty, right? It can give also, it can take also, right? That is why the position of hydrogen, it was not fixed in the periodic table. It is given a separate position. Naughty boy, stand outside the class. So now coming back to electrolysis, ये break हो गया. Now I want you to look very very carefully out here. This is what? Positive. This is what? Positive, right? Positive ions, they are called as what? Cations. Positive ions are called as what? Excellent. They are called as cations. बच्चा cations कहाँ जाएगा? Cathode. Cathode कहाँ है? Yes or no? That means automatically आप जब डायग्राम बनाएंगे तो क्या चला गया कैथोड के पास? प्रॉब्लम हो रहे? नहीं ना, हाइड्रोजन प्लस है, कैथोड का चार्ज क्या है? नेगेटिव, तो हाइड्रोजन कहाँ जाएगा? पॉजिटिव चार्ज कहाँ जाएगा? नेगेटिव के पास जाएगा, isn't it? ना, यहाँ पे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? तो अच्छा, एक और चीज़, यहाँ पे ये ऐसे भी डिसोसिएट हो सकता है, एंड वी विल डू इट द वे, वेट, H एक ही रखते हैं, दो नहीं रखते, एक H प्लस इसको ब्रेक करते हैं हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड में, देन इट विल बी मोर क्लियर, बैलेंस करना इजी हो जाएगा, राइट? सो हाइड्रोजन प्लस hydro oxide, right? What is this? Hydro oxide. This is chlorine, this is hydrogen. Again, this is what? Cation. And this is breaking as what? Hydroxide, and this is breaking as what? Chlorine. इनका चार्ज क्या है? Negative. इनका चार्ज क्या है? Negative. Negative, they are called as what? Anions. They are called as what? Anions. So where the anions will go? They will go towards the anode. That is later part, we will discuss it, right? Now, first thing, what we have taken? We have taken the positive charge. Where are they heading towards? They are heading towards cathode. So what we will write? Reaction at cathode. Which type of reaction takes place at cathode? Reduction. Which type of reactions takes place? Reduction. That means gain of electron. दिया था, इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस आएगा, तो यहाँ पे what we will write? Hydrogen plus. So what we will write? Hydrogen plus. What it will do? Which type of reaction takes place? Reduction. Reduction reaction means gain of electron. So it is gaining electron and it is converting into hydrogen neutral atom, but it is not stable like this. It combines with one more hydrogen and becomes a molecule of hydrogen gas. Where this reaction is taking place? This reaction is taking place at cathode. Hydrogen gas बन गया. So it forms what? Hydrogen gas. Now, will it stay? It is in which form? Gaseous form. If it is in a gaseous form, then what will happen? ऊपर निकल जाएगा, ठीक है? It will go out of the electrolytic cell. Am I clear? So what is happening here? What did I say? If the question comes in exam, box it. Which reaction is taking place? Reduction. What do we mean by reduction? Gain of electron. Clear? Now, if we see the other dissociation that has taken place, what is the dissociation that has taken place? It is hydroxide and chlorine. It is what? Hydroxide and chlorine. Now, what happens actually? Out of this hydroxyl and chlorine, anode prefers hydroxide. एनोड क्या करता है? हाइड्रोक्साइड को प्रिफर करता है ज़्यादा क्लोरीन. नाउ सपोज खाने में दाल चावल है एंड खाने में पिज़्ज़ा है, what will you prefer? Dal chawal? You will prefer, no matter it is very healthy, but you will jump for the pizza. Same thing here. Now why does it goes for hydroxide radical, OH radical? क्यों जाता है? Because they are highly reactive. ये बहुत ज़्यादा reactive है. And यहाँ पे देखो, the answer is here only. If you see this OH, क्या common दिखाई दे रहा है इधर से? What can be formed from here? थोड़ा सा, if you put an eyes here, yes, very good. It can lead to the formation of water, which is much more easier, much more convenient. So ये पिज़्ज़ा है, वो पिज़्ज़ा है जो क्या देगा? वाटर बनाएगा. और क्योंकि ये हेल्दी नहीं है इसीलिए ये ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, तो ये फटाक से क्या करता है? OH माइनस, OH माइनस किसके पास भाग जाता है? एनोड के पास. एनोड का चार्ज क्या है? पॉजिटिव है, तो कौन भाग गया फटाक से? OH. Why? Now if a question comes, one mark question, why hydroxide radical is preferred at anode than chlorine? So what will be your answer? Now don't write that it is a pizza and it is very bad for health, that is why it is preferred. No. So what you will write? You will write that it is highly reactive and it quickly forms water. Am I clear? Right. Now, so what reaction will take place at anode? What reaction at anode? Chlorine. Will I write chlorine? No, I'm not going to write chlorine. And what I'm going to write? I'm going to write the pizza. What is the pizza? Hydroxide radical. What happens at anode? At anode, oxidation takes place. What happens at anode? Oxidation takes place. What is oxidation? Oxidation means taking, giving. What it is? Take or give. Just look at the sign. Sign देखो, लेगा या दे देगा, घर जा रहा है वापस. Very good. It will be loss. It will return back. So it is going to do what? Return. Return को कैसे denote करते हैं? Minus. Return. अब दे दिया. Now what it will form? OH. What it will form? OH. Now what it is going to form? OH. Now OH cannot be stable like this. So 4OH. क्या बोला था? क्यों OH को prefer किया है? Why OH is preferred? Because it is highly reactive and forms what? And it forms water. So what is going to form here? Water. Balance it. Quickly tell me, if you balance it, what will you get? 2H2O plus what is left? See the balance. Excuse me. I have little cough, so I'm very sorry for the interruption. So it is what? 4OH. How many? Oxygen number is 4. Hydrogen number is also how much? 4. Am I correct? How many number of atoms do you see here? Hydrogen 2. How many molecules do you see here? 2. So 2 2s are how much? 4. Hydrogen is balanced? Yes, it is balanced. Now at this time only the plane has to come. Okay, oxygen. How many numbers of oxygen? 4. And here is how many? Atomicity. Is there any atomicity? No. No beta, right? So only molecule number. How much? 2. Here the number of oxygen is how much? Right? So this side hydrogen 2 and 2 हो गया 4. What is left? How many oxygen are left? Quickly tell me. So it will form O2, because O, again, do oxygen exist like this? No, oxygen cannot exist like this because it's a gas, and gases usually form what? Molecules. अकेले नहीं रह सकते, हल्का फुल्का होता है ना गैस, है ना? तो इसको क्या चाहिए? एक और चाहिए एटम. तो वो क्या कर लेते हैं फिर? मॉलिक्यूल्स बना लेते हैं. सो इट एग्जिस्ट एज व्हाट? ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. सो अगेन सी हियर, what is the product that is formed at anode? At anode, hydroxide radical is picked over chlorine. क्लोरीन के ऊपर, दाल चावल के ऊपर पिज़्ज़ा प्रेफर किया. Why? Because it is highly reactive and it forms what? It forms water. So what is the reaction? It is oxidation. So it is loss of electron. It forms OH. It is not stable. So 4 molecules of hydroxide combines to give you 2 molecules of water and oxygen. What is this reaction? This is, now I will write with blue color. This is oxidation. What it means? It means loss of electron. Am I clear? Now if I have to write the overall reaction, एक फाइनल में ओवरऑल रिएक्शन लिखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि मेनली इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस किसका हो रहा है? इट इज ऑफ वाटर एंड राइट. सो व्हाट आर द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर फॉर्म्ड? गैस. यहाँ पे OH पिक होगा. OH पिक होने से यहाँ पे क्या बनता है? 2H2O plus O2. What is this? Water. Where it will come down? Again back here, and oxygen bubbles will be formed here, and they will then escape. Am I clear? Right? So what are the products that are forming? This one and this one. Right? So I will write ओवरऑल रिएक्शन. हुआ क्या एक्चुअली? हमने पानी लिया, पानी का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस हो गया, राइट, एंड व्हाट डू वी गेट? वी गेट 2H2 plus O2. What do we get? We get 2H2 plus O2. This is the overall reaction. क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस किसका था? इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस था पानी का. ठीक है. एसिड डालना पड़ा. वाई वी हैड टू ऐड? बिकॉज प्योर वाटर इट विल नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, राइट. बट क्लोरीन, वो क्लोरीन आयन्स ऐसे ही दे विल फ्री, दे आर फ्री, they will float here only. So hydrogen will be picked up. It will form hydrogen gas. Where? One mark question. Where hydrogen gas is formed during the electrolysis of acidified water? It is formed at cathode. Where oxygen is formed? It is formed at anode. And overall reaction 2H2 plus O2. Now students, if I take you back, little back behind the experiment that we had done, right? I tapped one side and I very clearly said that this is what? Cathode. And do you remember that the number of bubbles that were forming were what? Double. Too much. Very clear. Yes or no? Correct? Why it was more as compared to the anode side? I told you, see it very nicely. After some time, I'll tell you the reason behind that. So, what is the reason behind? See this. If you see the formula of water, it is what? H2O. So, by volume, amount of hydrogen is what? 1. Sorry, hydrogen is what? 2, and 1 is that of what? Oxygen. That is why in that particular experiment, hydrogen bubbles were double the amount of oxygen bubbles, right? So if a question comes, what is the ratio of hydrogen and water in electrolysis of acidified water? What is the volume ratio? So what will be the volume ratio, beta? So what we have seen here, by volume, what is the ratio? 2:1. Now I hope you have made a note of this, so I am just erasing this section because I have to do a small one more part of this, and then we will finish this one, okay? So we discussed the ratio by its volume. Now we will discuss the ratio by mass. What is the ratio of this dissociation that is going to take place, right? So now, what is this? 2H2 by O2 by mass, right? So what is the mass number of hydrogen? 2 is the molecular number. We will keep it like this. Hydrogen. Mass number is what? 1. How many atoms of hydrogen are present? 2 atoms of hydrogen are present. Oxygen number is what? 16. Mass number. How many atoms? 2. Now quickly solve it. What will you get? Bracket. 16 2s are 32. Now 4 by 32. What will you get if you cancel it? You will get 4 1s are 4, 8. or 1:8. So by volume, what is the ratio? 2:1. By mass, what is the volume? 1:8. 1 is of hydrogen, 8 is that of oxygen. What I have done? I have taken the product because I have to take their ratio. What is the product? 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen, their ratio. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. How many atoms are present? 2. Total molecule number is what? 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Oxygen mass number is what? 16. 16. How many atoms are there? 2. So 16 twos are 32. Now if I divide, what I get? I get 1:8. Now please children, make a quick note of this as well. Alright students, so second example that we will study today is electrolysis of aqueous solution of copper sulfate using copper as electrode. This is the second example and this will be the last thing of the day. However, this topic is not complete because what we are left with is the application of electrolysis, which we will cover in the third lecture, right? Otherwise it will be too much, you won't understand. Now coming back to simple English, electrolysis मतलब क्या? करंट पास करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिसोशिएट हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव अपने अपने कैथोड और एनोड की तरफ जाएंगे, वहाँ पे दे विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अ न्यू सब्सटेंस, वो होता है इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. अब इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस, हुज इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस? कॉपर सल्फेट, CuSO4, कॉपर सल्फेट, बट विच टाइप? aqueous solution, उसको solution बनाएंगे. And now what we are going to use this time? We are using copper as electrode. What are we using? Copper. और solution क्या है? Copper sulfate, right? Same, one side will be connected to negative terminal, it will carry negative charge and it will be called as cathode. Another side is connected to positive terminal, it will carry what? Positive charges, so it will be called as what? Anode, right? And what is the electrode that we have taken? We are taking the electrode of copper. Now first thing, copper sulfate. What is the valency of copper? The valency of copper is 2. It is a metal, so it will be 2 plus. That means copper has a tendency to give away 2 electrons. And sulfate radical, it has a tendency to take what? 2 electrons. So the dissociation will be Cu2 plus and it will break as what? Sulfate, SO4 2 minus. Clear? Now we are making it what? Aqueous solution. That means what is added there? Water is added there. Am I correct? तो water पे current लगेगा, बेचारा वो भी तो टूट जाएगा, right? उसको भी तोड़ दो. H2O कैसे टूटेगा? फटाफट हाइड्रोजन प्लस हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन, O plus OH minus. Am I clear? Hydroxide radical टूट गया. Now what do you have to remember? Whenever we write the reaction, this is the first thing that is going to take place. यहाँ पे करो. It will dissociate as what? Copper 2 plus and H plus sulfate SO4 2 minus OH minus, right? Now if you see, what is the charge out here? Positive. Positive will go towards where? Negative. What is this negative called as? Cathode. Very good. So at cathode, what reaction is going to take place, bacha? At cathode. Now electrode is taken what? Copper. So what will happen? What do you think? Hydrogen will move more or copper? It is copper ions that is preferred over hydrogen. Why? Again, see here, electrode. These electrodes are made up of what? Copper, है ना? So if someone asks you, like you all, आप सबसे पूछेंगे कि हमें अपना notes दो. Maybe student of your particular class and the students outside any other school. आप किसको मदद करोगे? अपने को ना? Right. So why hydrogen is not preferred this time? Because copper. These electrodes are made up of copper. So copper is preferred over hydrogen. Secondly, इसका चार्ज क्या है? 2+. ज़्यादा पावर है, एफिनिटी है, इसीलिए कॉपर जाएगा. तो किसका रिएक्शन होगा एट कैथोड? कॉपर 2+. Now tell me, at cathode, what is the reaction that is called as? It is called as reduction. Reduction means what? Loss of electron. तो loss of electron मतलब क्या हुआ? Now it will be loss of electron or it will be a gain of electron. I am asking you, I am not going to solve this. What do you think what will happen here? It is becoming what? Copper. 2 electrons. Yes, it is reduction. Now what will happen here? Will it be a minus or it will be a plus electron? क्या था इधर? क्या किया था इसने? It has given 2 electrons. So that means it will do what? Take back electron. So it will be what? Plus or minus? It is 2+. 2+ means it has given 2 electrons. So now it is going home, right? So it will do what? It will give or take. It has, as it had given 2 electrons, so it will now do what? Take back. How many electrons? 1? 1? No. 2 पेन दिया था तो मुझे 2 ही चाहिए. Take back what? 2 electrons. Alright? So is it a loss or gain? Whenever you get confused, just solve it like this. Plus है, is it a loss or gain? It is a gain of electron. Now copper. In case of copper, as copper is a metal, right? So it is very much stable. So there is no further reactions for copper. It is very much stable. It is what? Stable. And what happens? Deposition of copper starts taking place. And this is what? This is pure form of copper. This is copper. यहाँ पे क्या आया था? Cu2+ आया और किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? कॉपर में. और ये क्या रिएक्शन हो गया? रिडक्शन. रिडक्शन क्या है? इट्स अ गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट? सो एज इट इज व्हाट? मेटल, solid, so it is very much stable and it will further not go any other reaction. If it is gaseous state, remember, if it's a gaseous state, then they combine and form what? They form molecules, right? Now हमारा कैथोड का कहानी हो गया. अब बचे कौन हैं? एनोड साहब बचे हुए हैं. ठीक है, एनोड का भी देखो मिस्ट्री है. अगर इजी होता तो फिजिकल साइंस क्यों होता, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द मिस्ट्री हियर? एनोड क्या है? व्हाट इज द एनोड दैट वी हैव टेकन? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर. And what are the anions that we have here? The anions that we have here is sulfate and this is hydroxide. ये दोनों जाएंगे? Yes, they should go, right? They should go. But yes, this but you have to remember. Why? Because here the electrode, the anode has been taken is of what? It is of copper only, and copper ionization potential is less. Now if you recollect your chapter number 8 periodic table, when we were doing that time, we have discussed ionization potential. What is ionization potential? It is the energy that is given to remove the loosely bound electron. Suppose यहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये न्यूक्लियस है, this is nucleus, right? This is outermost orbit, 2 electrons, suppose 2 electrons, their grip ज़्यादा किसको पकड़ेगा? इसके पास ज़्यादा फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा पास है न्यूक्लियस के, ये थोड़ा दूर है, तो अब मुझे इसको रिमूव करना है, तो मुझे तो एनर्जी लगेगा। रिमूव किया तो जो ये एनर्जी मुझे लगा रिमूव करने में, कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉन को? जो लूजली बाउंड था, this energy is called as what? Ionization potential energy. This is called as what? Ionization potential energy. So copper ionization potential energy is less. That is why what happens, this copper at anode, as the ionization potential energy is less. Who's less? Copper, because it's a metal, right? So what happens, this copper फटाफट क्या करने लगता है? अपना 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालने लगता है। As from here, यहाँ से निकालने से कॉपर से निकालना ज़्यादा इजी है। अगर if a question comes that why copper is preferred over sulfate and hydroxide, then your answer will be because ionization potential of copper is less as compared to the discharge energy of sulfate and hydroxide, as compared to discharge energy of sulfate and hydroxide. Copper quickly it is removing 2 electrons, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दिया तो इसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज आ जाएगा? राइट अब ये दे रहा है तो इसका रिजल्ट, व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस? दिस पर्टिकुलर एनोड, ये कॉपर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालता जा रहा है ना, तो ये कहाँ जाता रहेगा? यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में, और इलेक्ट्रोलाइट से फिर कहाँ जाता जाएगा? कैथोड पे। तो उसकी वजह से व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस एनोड साइज विल डिक्रीज एंड कैथोड साइज विल इंक्रीज। एनोड साइज विल डिक्रीज, cathode size will increase, और यहाँ पे we will get the pure form of copper. So what is happening? I'll repeat again. At anode, as the ionization potential of copper is less, right? So it quickly gives away 2 electrons. अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन देता जाएगा, और as a result क्या होता जाएगा? आयॉन्स इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में गिरते जाएंगे और यहाँ से फिर कैथोड की तरफ चिपकते जाएंगे, right? So as a result, the size of anode will reduce and the size of cathode will increase. Am I clear? Right? So this is the reaction that will take place at anode, and it will be called as what? Oxidation. So oxidation is what? Gain of electron or loss of electron? Gain or loss? I don't know. Oh my God, I have got confused. What to do now? Check the sign. Minus है तो मतलब loss of electron. So this is the process of electrolysis of aqueous solution of copper sulfate using copper electrode. This much only, right? Now one thing you have to remember, that here the tricky part, these 2 ions are not picked up. Instead, copper itself starts what? Oxidation. Copper itself starts the oxidation. Clear? So I will request you to make a briefly make a sketch of this, write it down, right? And important thing today, what we have discussed, we discussed about the Arrhenius concept. Then we discussed about what is electrolysis in detail, Then we have discussed two examples of electrolysis. One is of acidified water and the second one is of aqueous solution of copper sulfate. I hope you will like this video, and please go through your textbook. Please textbook, underline, because many short and objective questions come from this particular topic. Thank you so much for your time.